In the dimly lit expanse of a boxing facility, a lone figure stands shadowboxing under the spotlight. The scent of sweat and determination fills the air as the figure, gloves on and tank top soaked in perspiration, punches through the silence, each jab echoing a tale of grit and glory. Ah, the charm of the squared circle, where fists become stories, and every punch thrown is a chapter written in the book of legacy. Today, we unravel the tales of two Mexican titans, Jaime Munguia and Canelo Alvarez, who are set to paint a new chapter in the Las Vegas ring this Cinco de Mayo weekend. Canelo Alvarez, a name that resonates with greatness, stands on the precipice of his ninth fight. His opponent, Jaime Munguia, an unblemished talent with lofty ambitions that soar as high as the Las Vegas skyline. Canelo, with his 60 wins, 2 defeats and 2 draws, has etched his name in the annals of boxing history. Beneath the glitz and glamour, there's a man driven by honor, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of greatness. His journey, a testament to the spirit of a true fighter, is a compelling blend of setbacks and victories. On the other side of the ring, Munguia, the rising phoenix with 43 victories and 0 defeats, is a force to be reckoned with. His dream? To etch his name alongside the luminaries of Mexican boxing. Each punch he throws, each victory he clinches, brings him one step closer to his dream. As Canelo gears up to face his countrymen, his voice brims with pride. "Yes, I have said that I do not want to fight Mexican opponents," he states. "But it's an honor to bring this fight to Munguia, a worthy adversary who has earned his stripes. I take great pride in this all-Mexican showdown." Meanwhile, Munguia, in the throes of his training camp, is a picture of unyielding determination. Each grueling session is a stepping stone towards greatness, a nod to his ancestors who paved the way for his rise. This is more than a fight for him. It's a chance to etch his name in the annals of boxing history. As the bell tolls for the opening round, the air vibrates with anticipation. This is a clash of titans, a meeting of warriors bound by blood, tradition, and a shared love for the sweet science of boxing. Who will emerge victorious in this battle of wills? Only time will tell. As the screen fades to black, the boxing ring stands empty, pregnant with expectation. The world waits with bated breath, the stage is set, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Who will prevail in this clash of the giants? Until next time, keep the spirit of the fight alive. Thank you for watching.